Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, September 3rd, 2020. Taking a look at our homework. First of all, in regular math, we've got practice 1.4 this evening, as well as our prime number quiz tomorrow. We took a practice quiz today, and hopefully you can see where you need to go and work on some things just to improve and to get better, and hopefully ace that quiz tomorrow. We also have a Chapter 1 review, and our Chapter 1 test is scheduled for tomorrow in the accelerated class. Across the board in science, there is no homework. In social studies, we are working on animal directions using a map from the Columbus Zoo. You need to have two out of three of those done and ready to go for class tomorrow. Once you've completed 2 sets of directions, you're going to stop. You are not finishing all 3. In language arts, we need to bring earbuds for class tomorrow. Remember, guys, we talk about this. Earbuds are a school supply. It's on your list. You need to go and get some. Also, an optional assignment is you could create a playlist on Spotify or YouTube so that you're not wasting writing time searching for music in class. In literature, we need to read 30 to 40 minutes. Our notebook is still due by Monday. You still need to share those letters with parents if you've not yet done so. And we also need to write a 1-paragraph summary of our article about grit that was started in class today. That is due by the end of the day, Friday at 3 o'clock. You have warrior time today. You have home tonight to work on it, and then you'll have warrior time tomorrow as well. In careers in life, we've got a test tomorrow over our SMART planning process and DOOR. That's going to be it for this evening. Everyone have a fantastic Thursday, and we'll see you on Friday.